Hey guys! In this video, I will show you the 10 best encrypted messaging apps now. Alright, let's begin. At number 1, Signal offers end-to-end encrypted messaging, open source, no tracking. At number 2, Threema provides strong encryption without phone number, minimal data. At number 3, Session uses decentralized routing for encrypted messages, no phone number anonymity. At number 4, Simplex Chat removes identifiers, fully encrypted, unlinked communication. At number 5, Element uses Matrix Protocol, secure chat, encrypted group federation. At number 6, WhatsApp provides end-to-end encryption for messages and calls globally. At number 7, Wire offers secure messaging for Teams, end-to-end encryption enterprise features. At number 8, Telegram includes optional secret chats, cloud messaging, large groups support. At number 9, Briar enables peer-to-peer encrypted communication using Bluetooth or Wi-Fi without internet access. At number 10, Olvid offers identity-free encrypted messaging, no phone contacts required. So that's basically the 10 best encrypted messaging apps. That's it for this video. Thanks.